Online moneymakers, it doesn't get much bigger than Amazon. Luckily for any entrepreneur looking for a new way to generate income, Amazon is an easy way to get started. They offer a variety of ways for you to share the wealth using their platform. You may be surprised by how easy it is to be an Amazon bestseller or otherwise generate significant income on Amazon. There are many ways to make money on Amazon, whether you're selling something or not. Whatever skills or resources you have at your disposal, here are top 15 ways that Amazon can help you to generate income. 1. Sell your own private label products on Amazon. Approximately $625 to $1,875 per month per product. Even in 2022, the best way to make money on Amazon is still to use the Fulfillment by Amazon FBA network to sell private label products. About 67% of all sellers on Amazon use the private label method to run their business. Private label is the process of making a product that already exists, ideally with improvements, putting your company's name and logos on it, and selling it to customers. It's sometimes called white labeling or building a brand. Private label brands include Target's Mainstays and Walmart's Great Value. The process has been around for a long time and is common in many stores. 2. Publish your own books on Kindle Direct Publishing. Up to $40,000 per month. You can publish your own books on Amazon using Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, according to Amazon. You can print actual copies of your book in addition to its digital counterpart. The only drawback to this strategy is that you frequently need to write a lot to be successful. Although it's possible to release 1 or 2 enormously successful books, volume is the real secret to publishing success. The more you write, the more you make. 3. Sell wholesale goods on Amazon. Can make up to $3,000 to $4,000 per month. Similar to private label, selling wholesale involves purchasing bulk quantities of product to sell using Amazon's FBA network. The primary difference, however, is that you are selling other companies' products. Therefore, you don't have to worry about manufacturing and branding the products. For a lot of sellers, it's one of the most popular ways to make money on Amazon. 4. Deliver goods for Amazon. Approximately $100 plus per day. By now, you probably know that Amazon has its own delivery service. But did you know that you can join Amazon's delivery fleet as a driver? Amazon's Flex program allows you to do just that. All you have to do is answer a quick questionnaire, download their app, and if you're accepted, you start making money. Think of it as Uber, but for Amazon deliveries. 5. Become a blogger. Ever wanted to start a lifestyle blog, publish how-to videos or recipes, or otherwise get your thoughts and ideas published? You can make money from Amazon while doing that. Picture this. You find a cool product on Amazon, send your friends the link, and if they buy it, you get paid a commission. On your blog or social media page or even an email. That link goes out to quite a few more folks, so you can make quite a bit more money in commissions. That's how Amazon's Associates program works. Amazon Associates is an affiliate program where you sign up to get special links that only you can share. Once you share the link and a purchase is made, you earn a percentage of the sale. 6. Work from home as an Amazon rep. Can make around $30,000 per year as a full-time rep. The role you have as a remote worker for Amazon determines your pay. Looking quickly on Google, it appears that customer service and data entry are the 2 most common employment categories. Additionally, in 2018, Amazon set a $15 minimum pay. As a result, you may earn $30,000 or more as a full-time remote Amazon representative. 7. Handcraft your own items to sell on Amazon through Amazon Handmade. Can make up to $30 per day. If you're creative, Amazon Handmade may be the spot for you. By invitation only, Amazon Handmade allows artisans to craft and sell their own goods using Amazon's platform. Obviously, this method takes a bit more work to stay on top of your orders since you would be producing them yourself. But the exposure Amazon offers your brand is massive. Amazon Handmade can really help a large audience discover your unique products. 8. Sell items without owning any inventory by drop shipping. This money-making method varies greatly in its returns. Drop shipping could be a way to make money on Amazon even if you don't have much money to start with. With drop shipping, you can list items for sale without ever owning the inventory. You just list the items you want to sell, and when someone buys one, you buy it from your supplier at a lower price and have them ship it to your customer. You make money as a seller even though you never touch or see the product. All of the logistics will be taken care of by your supplier. 9. Offer your services through Amazon Services. Amazon isn't just a platform for e-commerce. They're jumping on board the gig economy too. Essentially, Amazon Services allows entrepreneurs to sell their services online. So if you're a plumber, a lawn care specialist, a dog walker, or a piano teacher, Amazon services can help connect you to people who want your help. 10. Work in one of Amazon's fulfillment or distribution centers. Can make up to $30,000 per year as a full-time associate. Finally, this is one that's been in the news a lot lately. Working in one of Amazon's massive fulfillment centers. Amazon associates pick, pack, store, and ship products for Amazon and its first and third-party sellers. 11. Sell old belongings on Amazon. Not sure what to sell on Amazon to make money? Have a look through your old belongings. There are likely plenty of items that you no longer use that you could sell online. In some ways, old belongings can actually be some of the best items to sell on Amazon. Not only does it mean your pre-loved stuff goes to a good home rather than a landfill, an important reason alone, but it also means you can cut out the cost of buying or making things to sell and just make a profit from things you already own. 12. Trade-in devices for gift vouchers. The trade-in program allows you to send in your old devices and, in return, receive an Amazon gift card for the value of your trade-in. Eligible devices include Kindle e-readers, tablets, streaming media players, the Amazon Echo, home security devices, smartphones, and video game consoles. It's free to do. You just need to head to the trade-in store and select the device you'd like to trade. You'll then need to answer a few questions about the condition of your item. It might still be accepted if it doesn't work, and Amazon will give you a quote. 13. Merch by Amazon. Make up to $1,000 plus a month. If you want to get into print-on-demand services, you might also consider these tips. Use the many Shopify plugins to integrate with print-on-demand services. Don't limit yourself to t-shirts. Instead, consider expanding where your digital assets make sense: egg, coffee mugs, stationery, etc. Because it's easy to get lost in the mix, always ask yourself how to make your items unique. Establish a social media presence so people can follow your unique style. Pay special attention to your earnings. Print-on-demand services take a huge chunk of profits. Print-on-demand resellers sometimes stick to t-shirts and do not try new things. It's easy to forget that you can sell more things than t-shirts. 14. Amazon Flex. Make $18 plus an hour. Amazon Flex is a delivery application where you can take ownership of a block and make deliveries for that location. Demand depends on where you are. The payout differs depending on how many people love Amazon in the area. You will have to put the miles on your vehicle, but the payouts for drivers can be anywhere from $18 to $25 per hour. It can be a full-time job in some neighborhoods, but more of an on-call side hustle in others. 15. Amazon Camper Force. Make $15 plus an hour. For more seasonal and temporary work, consider Amazon Camper Force. Both summer and fall opportunities exist, but the point is to be mobile and work in a technologically advanced environment. Assignments are heavily mobile and last anywhere from 6 to 12 weeks. The name Camper Force comes from you living on a campground while working for Amazon. You also receive a $120 stipend towards campground expenses. You also get overtime bonuses with the potential to convert to a regular Amazon position in the area. Merch by Amazon is a print-on-demand service exclusive to Amazon sellers. Talented artists and reprints can easily apply unique art to these photos. The struggle is real, so if you want a piece of that Amazon pie, you got to work for it. If you wish to start a store with custom products or join up with your local fulfillment team, there's a lot of money in working for Amazon. Can you do them all? Probably not, but one or two might not be a bad idea. There is no one best way for every person. So there you have it, 15 fantastic ways to make money on Amazon. I'd go as far to say that there are probably even more ways than the 15 I have listed, but for now, this list should get you started on the right path. If you know of additional ways to make money on Amazon, be sure to let us know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video and make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on bell notifications so you don't miss any videos just like this one. Thanks for watching.